Good day and welcome. Today, we're continuing our exciting series on organ systems in the body. Today, we will learn more about the digestive system. Here's a question for you. Can you name the main organs of the digestive system and describe their functions? Share your answer in the comments below. Stick around until the end for some thought-provoking questions to test your understanding. Challenge yourself and see how well you've grasped the material. It's a fantastic way to boost your confidence. Please do not forget to like and subscribe so that you do not miss our weekly uploads. Let's get started. We have seen that a system is a group of organs working together to perform a particular function. The human body consists of several integrated systems working together to keep us alive. When we study each of these body systems, we will pay attention to the following: the function, or main purpose, of the system in the body, the main processes that occur in the system, the main organs that make up the system, and the main health issues associated with that specific system. The purpose and function of the digestive system is to break down food into dissolved nutrients that are absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to cells throughout the body. A nutrient is an ingredient that nourishes the body. A nutrient such as glucose is an ingredient that nourishes the body. So what are the main processes of the digestive system? There are four main processes that occur in the digestive system in different areas along the digestive tract. These are ingestion, digestion, absorption, and egestion. Ingestion occurs when food is taken in through the mouth into your body by eating or drinking. Digestion is the process where large food molecules are broken into smaller soluble food molecules, which are then transported in the bloodstream. There are two types of digestion: mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion or physical digestion occurs when food is broken down physically by chewing, churning, or grinding and crushing. Mechanical digestion takes place in your mouth and in your stomach. Chemical digestion occurs when different digestive enzymes break down the pieces of food into smaller molecules. Enzymes are chemicals that break up large food molecules into smaller molecules. Different enzymes work on different food molecules. Chemical digestion starts in the mouth where enzymes in the saliva start breaking down starch. Chemical digestion also occurs in the stomach and small intestine. Absorption is the movement of digested, soluble food molecules through the wall of the digestive system into the bloodstream, from where it is carried to all the cells in the body. Egestion and elimination or defecation is when any undigested or unwanted particles pass through the digestive tract as feces to the end of the digestive tract, through the anus. What are the main components in the digestive system? The human digestive system consists of two main groups: the digestive tract and the supporting organs. The digestive tract or alimentary canal is a long, hollow duct through which the food moves. It has two openings to the outside, the mouth at the one end and the anus at the other end. The following organs form part of the digestive tract: the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine. The supporting organs help with the process of digestion and includes the teeth, the tongue, the glands, the liver, and the pancreas. The teeth and tongue help with mechanical digestion. The glands include the liver, pancreas, and salivary glands. These produce and store chemicals called enzymes that breaks food chemically. Let's identify these parts in this diagram: the mouth and the esophagus, the liver and the stomach, the gallbladder and the pancreas, the small intestine and the large intestine, Let us now discuss the role played by each organ in the digestive system, starting with the mouth. The digestive process begins in the mouth, where food enters the digestive tract. When you put food in your mouth, it consists of various food components, which are broken down through both mechanical and chemical digestion. Inside the mouth, we find the teeth, tongue, and salivary glands, each playing a specific role in digestion. The teeth are responsible for biting, chewing, and grinding food into smaller pieces, a process known as mechanical digestion. This helps break food down into manageable portions, making it easier to swallow and digest further. The tongue plays a crucial role by holding food between the teeth, mixing it with saliva, and rolling it into a soft, round mass called a bolus. The tongue also assists in the swallowing process, ensuring food moves smoothly to the next stage of digestion. Additionally, the taste buds on the tongue allow us to experience different flavors, enhancing our eating experience. Another important structure in the mouth is the salivary glands, which secrete saliva. Saliva contains enzymes, such as amylase, which begin the chemical breakdown of carbohydrates. Saliva also moistens food, making it easier to form a bolus and ensuring a smooth swallowing process. Once the food has been sufficiently broken down and formed into a bolus, it is swallowed and moves into the esophagus. The esophagus, also known as the gullet, plays a crucial role in transporting food from the mouth to the stomach. It is a long, muscular tube that does not digest food but simply acts as a passageway. When we swallow, food is pushed into the esophagus, where it is moved toward the stomach through a process called peristalsis. Peristalsis is a wave-like motion created by the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the muscles in the esophagus. This movement pushes the bolus, soft, chewed food, downward and ensures that it reaches the stomach, even if a person is lying down or upside down. This process can be compared to squeezing toothpaste out of a tube, where pressure applied at one end moves the contents forward. It is important to note that the esophagus has no digestive function. It does not break down food chemically or mechanically. Its sole purpose is to transport food efficiently to the stomach, where digestion continues. The stomach is a muscular organ that plays a crucial role in digestion by mixing food with digestive juices. Once food enters the stomach, it is combined with a liquid secreted by the stomach wall, known as digestive juices or gastric fluid. These juices contain hydrochloric acid and enzymes, which are essential for chemical digestion as they help break down food molecules into simpler forms. The stomach muscles also contribute to digestion through mechanical digestion. The muscle walls contract and pulverize the food, breaking it down into even smaller pieces while grinding and mixing it with digestive juices. This process ensures that food is thoroughly mixed and transformed into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. Food remains in the stomach for about 2 hours, during which it is continuously churned and mixed with digestive juices. At the exit of the stomach, a sphincter, a circular muscle valve, controls the passage of food into the small intestine. When digestion in the stomach is complete, the sphincter opens, allowing the partially digested food, chyme, to move into the small intestine, where further digestion and nutrient absorption occur. The small intestine is a long, narrow tube about 6 meters in length that plays a crucial role in the final stages of digestion and nutrient absorption. It is specially adapted to ensure that food is broken down into its simplest form so that the body can effectively utilize it. The majority of digestion and absorption occurs in the small intestine. During this stage, food is further broken down into simpler molecules that cells can use for energy and growth. The walls of the small intestine contain glands that secrete intestinal juice, which is rich in enzymes. These enzymes work to break down any remaining food particles into their simplest, soluble forms. Once digestion is complete, the soluble food molecules pass through the walls of the small intestine and into the bloodstream in a process called absorption. The blood then transports these nutrients to cells throughout the body, where they are used for various biological functions such as energy production, growth, and repair. The small intestine is highly efficient in its role due to its large surface area, which is increased by tiny finger-like projections called villi. These structures help maximize nutrient absorption, ensuring the body gets the most out of the food consumed. The large intestine is a muscular tube about 1.5 meters long and 70 millimeters in diameter. It is divided into three main parts: the cecum, colon, and rectum. The cecum is the widest part of the large intestine and is the junction between the small and large intestines. The colon makes up the largest section, first extending upwards, then moving across, and finally descending downwards. The final section is the rectum, which stores waste before it is expelled through the anus. Unlike the small intestine, no digestion occurs in the large intestine. By the time food reaches this part of the digestive system, most of the nutrients have already been absorbed. The large intestine's primary function is to absorb water, mineral salts, and certain vitamins from the remaining food content. As a result, the leftover undigested material becomes more solid as water is removed. The remaining material in the large intestine consists of undigested food waste. Bacteria in the large intestine help further break down some substances, forming feces or excrement. The rectum stores feces until it is ready to be excreted. The removal of feces from the body through the anus is called egestion or defecation. This final step in the digestive process ensures that waste and unwanted materials are expelled from the body. Several accessory organs play a crucial role in ensuring the digestive system functions efficiently. These include the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Although food does not pass through these organs, they produce and secrete special fluids that contain enzymes and chemicals to aid digestion. The liver is the largest organ in the body and has many vital functions, including its important role in digestion. It produces a yellow-green liquid called bile, which is essential for the digestion of fats. Bile helps break down large fat molecules into smaller droplets, making them easier to digest and absorb. The gallbladder is a small organ that stores bile temporarily. When fatty foods enter the small intestine, the gallbladder releases bile to aid in digestion. This process ensures that fats are broken down efficiently before they are absorbed into the bloodstream. The pancreas is another important organ that assists digestion by producing gastric juices containing digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down starch, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and oils into simpler forms that the body can absorb and use for energy. Although these organs are not directly part of the digestive tract, their secretions play a crucial role in breaking down food into usable nutrients that fuel the body. The digestive system is essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, but it can be affected by various health issues. Some common digestive disorders include peptic ulcers, anorexia, diarrhea, and cirrhosis of the liver. A peptic ulcer is an open sore that forms on the stomach wall or the upper part of the intestinal tract. These ulcers are primarily caused by bacterial infections. Other factors such as smoking, stress, and excessive use of painkillers can also contribute to the development of ulcers. If left untreated, peptic ulcers can cause severe pain and complications such as internal bleeding. Anorexia is an eating disorder that affects the mind and body. People suffering from anorexia have an intense fear of gaining weight, leading them to deliberately avoid eating and intentionally starve themselves. This disorder can cause serious health problems, including loss of bone density, kidney damage, heart issues, and even death. Early treatment and psychological support are crucial in managing anorexia. Diarrhea is a condition where a person passes frequent, loose, and watery stools. It is commonly caused by a virus and usually lasts for about 2 days. This condition is sometimes referred to as gastric flu. However, diarrhea can also be a symptom of other diseases, such as cholera, which is caused by a bacterium. If not treated, cholera can lead to severe dehydration and may be fatal, especially in young children. Cirrhosis of the liver is a disease in which the liver becomes scarred due to continuous damage to liver cells. The scar tissue replaces healthy liver tissue, preventing the liver from functioning properly. The most common causes of cirrhosis include excessive alcohol consumption and infection with the hepatitis C virus. Since the liver plays a vital role in detoxifying the body and producing important digestive enzymes, cirrhosis can lead to serious health complications, including liver failure. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, and proper hydration can help prevent many digestive system disorders. Seeking medical attention early is also important to manage and treat these conditions effectively. That is all for today. Before we conclude, please attempt answering the following questions before the answers pop up. You can pause the video as you go. Let us meet again next time and discuss further on other systems in the human body. Be sure to check the link in the description for more. Do not forget to like and subscribe so that you do not miss our weekly updates. Otherwise, thank you for watching and keep well.